Hello everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. So today we got the power on. Well, actually came on the other day, but I just wanted to let you guys know we got the power on. So this heater's on right here. Got your little thing that looks like a hotel heater. That's called a P-TAC, that's what we call them. So it does heat and air conditioning. So if we come over here and hit one of these switches, this will turn the, no, not that one, turn the power on. So this third of the building is powered up, and I wanted to tell you that basically the power is on at the main distribution center. So all these are heated up now. Got your panel covers on. I don't know why this needs to, they want the stoves off, so in case the stove was on, in case the stove got turned on by accident, it doesn't catch fire because of they usually have like a piece of paper over the top of it, so I don't want those accidentally catching fire. That would just light this whole building up on fire. So anyways, almost finished up in the attic, but I wanted to come down here and tell you guys we got the power. And then I think soon will probably be hot checking, which means that we're just going through and testing, making sure everything works, all the lights come on, basically getting it ready to be finished. And also what I wanted to say, what did I want to say? So yeah, at the main gear out in the back, they got the power turned on at the main distribution or whatever it's called, and then basically they just have the other 2/3 of the building turned off, and then the other part of the gear turned off. So there's just a bunch of different series of breakers, and I did destroy my finger today, so that was fun. Right at the first 10 minutes of the day, probably 20 minutes maybe, but basically they have half of the gear turned off or whatever. And then there's just a bunch of different breakers. So I haven't looked at it exactly, but there's a breaker where the power comes into the distribution center. There's a breaker, and let's just say the breaker's here, and then the power goes into the building. And then there's breakers at the panels in the hallway, and then from there that power gets sent over to here. And then there's a third set of breakers right here. So there's just tons of different spots to turn the power off, whether it's outside in the hallway or in the bedrooms themselves. So, but with the power being on now, we have to be careful, at least in this third of the building that's on. You have to just make sure what's on and what's not. We've been working stuff not hot for the longest period of time, so now you just have to be careful and making sure when you're cutting wires that they're not hot. Making sure you're not getting to get zapped or electrocuted or anything like that. So just be aware when you're doing electrical stuff, if there's power and all that good stuff. So I don't know why these smoke detectors are beeping. So anyways, there's power to them and the batteries are not plugged in, so I'm not sure. Maybe they have to be set or something. But anyway, guys, I thank you for watching and appreciate the views and subscription and likes, all that good stuff. I did go to a meeting yesterday and got this awesome coat for my company, and then also got 2 of these black hoodies and then another company t-shirt, and they ran out of long sleeve t-shirts. So just freaking awesome bunch of company stuff and free clothes and stuff. So this is a really nice coat right here, super high quality. It's got our company logo on the back and really nice and warm. Working up in the attic, so I had to take it off a little bit today because it was super hot because the heat was on up there today. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Tomorrow maybe I'll get another how-to video going on, or maybe try to do one over the weekend. Appreciate the support, guys. Thanks for stopping by. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. See you guys later.